Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this killer core workout. You won't need any equipment and each exercise will be a length of 60 seconds with 5-second intervals in between to rest. Starting off strong by hinging your shoulders halfway back to the floor, keeping your feet flat on the floor. We're just engaging our core here, our transverse abdominals, rolling the shoulders back. Option here to do Pilates 100s. Keep going. And coming back up, give yourself a good hug to release your hip flexors, scoot forward a little bit, and let's hinge our shoulders halfway back, lift our feet up so that our calves are parallel to the floor, and we do our Pilates 100s in this position. Core is engaged in this V hold, head and neck are relaxed. You could turn your head side to side if you wanted to, as to not hold tension in your neck. Keep going. And finishing the last one, go all the way down onto your back. Option here to take your hands underneath your seat. And then we do double-footed toe taps, pointing our toes, keeping our knees bent 90 degrees. Belly button is moving to our spine. Back is flat on the floor. Option here to take your hands into a little first position as well. If this is pretty easy for you, keep going. Let's change it up a little bit. Bring your head and your neck off of the floor and tap your fingers behind your hamstrings to touch in a little round position and bring them back forward. So you're creating a circle around your legs, keeping your head and neck lifted. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next one is on our elbows, so prop yourself halfway up once again. Feet are pointed, knees are extended, and we lower our right leg all the way down and all the way up for 30 seconds, and then we do the other leg for 30 seconds. This may look really easy, but trust me, it is so difficult. If your hips are getting seized up or cramped, feel free to bend your knees and bring them into your chest. Relax a little bit, but try to keep going. This one is killer, believe me. Make sure that your back isn't curving when you do this, and when you lower your leg, to make it a little bit easier, lift your legs up higher. To make it more difficult, lower the legs as low as you can. Keep going, switch legs. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Lower all the way down and let's go into some bridges. Feet are flat on the floor, lifting our hips up and down. Challenge yourself here to not lower your butt to the floor. Keep your sacrum off the floor each time. Really engage that core, belly button to spine, keeping a slight tuck in the pelvis. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Roll back up and roll halfway back so that your shoulders are at a 45-degree angle, as well as your legs. We're drawing little circles with our arms and our legs and doing a little sit-up with each of our body parts, with our upper body and our lower body as we do those circles. So bring your legs in, you lift your shoulders slightly up, so you're just kind of bouncing up and down, and believe me, you're going to feel this in your core. We used to do this during partnering classes for pas de deux in ballet school, and we used to do it as conditioning in ballet school. This one is killer. Again, it looks super easy, but trust me, it is not. Keep going, 30 more seconds.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't.
And relax. Almost there. Give yourself a hug, swing your legs around, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up to a half plank, and we do double knee taps in a half plank on our elbows. Keep going. 1 minute of these.
Things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need.
And relax. Beautiful. Shake it out for a second. Bring your hands on the floor underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under. Lift your shins to hover off the floor so that they're facing parallel in our beautiful bear hold. Stay in this bear hold for about 20 seconds for a challenge. Option to press up into a down dog every 10 seconds. I chose to do 20-second intervals to hold the bear hold a little bit longer. So you'll see here I lift up to a downward facing dog, heels high, and then I'm going to lower back down all the way to my bear hold. So 20 seconds in a bear hold, 10 seconds in a down dog, and again. Keep going. And relax. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.